Hello students, this is Mosam, Assistant Professor English, Engineering College, Jhalawar. I welcome you again in this e-lecture series. This is the 9th lecture of this series and we will begin with Unit 3rd. First topic of Unit 3rd is Technical Writing Process. What is technical writing? Technical writing and editing skills. These are highly associated with each other because effective editing makes a bad writing good and good writing better. So while writing a technical text, you need to be both effective writer as well as effective editor. Technical writing is a detail-oriented process of ensuring that specialized information appears before the readers. As we have discussed, technical communication is a process of sharing information, specialized information, to a specific audience with a specific purpose. So in order to ensure that specific information delivers to the specific audience, technical writing skills needs to be effective. It is essential to deliver accurate and clear information to a large group of people. Technical writing process. There are 5 steps of achieving an effective technical writing. First is preparation, second is research, third is organization, fourth is first draft, and then review and revise. With the help of these 5 steps, you can achieve effective writing process. Preparation. First step of effective technical writing is preparation. A technical writer needs to answer a set of questions regarding his or her project or the article or the text. So these questions includes the skill level of the audience. What is the level of the audience? To which level you need to deliver your information. Second is the purpose of the piece, which explains the direction in which the writer will direct the project. The purpose, why are you writing that particular piece of writing? This will explain you to, this will help you to write the text in the proper direction. Third is the scope of the project. Scope of the project means what is the scope? What scope of the project? It considers the amount of material the project should cover. What amount? What are the information? What amount of the information the project or the text or the article needs to include? Fourth step is medium used to present the information in the specific format used. The writer needs to decide the medium, in which medium he or she wants to deliver his or her information to the specific audience. So by answering these 4 questions, the technical writer can prepare for writing the technical piece of writing. Research. After preparing, here comes the stage research. In this phase, the technical writer gathers information about the project. While researching, the technical writer will gather the information about the project or the particular subject. The information includes reading technical information about the project and spending some time on basic information. While researching on the information, the writer needs to collect the technical information as well as the basic information related to that particular subject. Technical writer can return to this stage multiple times if the initial information is not sufficient to cover the necessary project information. Whenever required, at any stage, if the technical writer requires more information about the subject, the writer can return back to this stage anytime. Organization. Third step is organization. In this stage, the technical writer will review all the information that has been gathered. Then he or she will divide it into sections, particular sections, and then according to that sections, he or she will create a formal outline of the writing piece. Fourth is first draft. After gathering the information, reviewing the information, preparing the outline, the technical writer will prepare the first draft. In this, he or she, the writer, writes the each section separately and use the organized research for each section. The writer writes each section according to the outline, and if needed, he or she can go back to the research stage to know more about that particular section. It focuses on the use of active language, specific word choices, and a clear presentation style and concise information. Fifth stage is review and revise. Once the technical writer is ready with the first draft, then the writer enters into the review and revise stage. In this, the writer makes necessary changes, reviews the draft and makes the necessary changes in the draft. While reviewing, the writer needs to check for the spellings, word choices, punctuation, passive voice usage, and typo errors in the draft. After reviewing, the writer makes the necessary changes according to the specified information. After the changes are made, then the writer again returns to the review and revise stage until the document is clear, precise, and accurate. Until the writer is satisfied with the project, with the writing piece, the writer returns again and again to review and revise stage. So this was the technical writing process, how to write a technical piece of writing. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon. Thank you again.